Hello friends, welcome to my crochet channel. Today we will learn how to do double crochet. If you understand all these steps, please like this video and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, please leave your doubts in comment box or join my Facebook group. Let's start. First, yarn over, insert your hook, pull this loop. Now we have 3 loops in our hook. Now again yarn over. Now we have 2 loops in our hook. Again yarn over. The stitch is complete. Yarn over. Pull this loop. Now we have 3 loops in our hook. Yarn over. Now 2 loops again. Thank you for watching.